All right. Slab City Skate Park. Whoa! Here comes my new awesome friend. I fucking love this person. They are a passionate BMXer. And their name is Connor. Like John Connor from Terminator.
Get to the chopper.
And I'm hoping that they'll let me take a peek into their life through an interview later. But for now, they are just enjoying themselves, not trying to take on that serious role.
Gotta clean the van first.
And they've given me the opportunity to just film what's going on here. Holy shit, yeah, so much fun. It'd be cool to like get everyone in the entourage and interview them. I have to get June still. I'm glad June didn't leave.
It's sick. Hopefully he pulls up soon.
Dude, do it to it, bro. I'm so excited. I'm gonna.
About to pull up for Brecky.
That was awesome. Wow, dude. Slab City Skate Park. This is what it's about. You can come here and get high. You can come here and get a lot of things. Get drunk. Get laid. Probably come here and get some STDs for sure, but whoa.
I've been wanting to do that shit all weekend. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Hell yeah. First fucking try.
I think I might have caught it.
Thank you.
I was trying to get up this ramp and it's slippy.
Yeah, it's steep as fuck. I thought about hitting the car jump. I don't think I want to hurt myself. That's sick.
Cool. Got to make sure to include a part of the video where it's colorful and I can use it as a background for the thumbnail. Here's my thumbnail. I pulled the thumbnail from the video, so I'm not doing clickbait. Yo, thank you so much, Leon and Bree, for cooking.
Oh, thank you.
Absolutely delicious.
Breakfast at the skate park.
Thank you.
Loving life. So it looks like the crew is headed to go shoot guns with their new friend, John. John seems really nice. He's an older guy. I think he asked Riley, Connor's girlfriend, about 20 times if she would come in his car on the way. So not so much pervy like he's got to do anything vibes, but like basically he's an older man who's really happy to be around young female energy and to entertain the guys in the process. So we're all going to fire a bunch of guns. Yeah. So no one has been drinking. There's no drugs involved. We all just, some of us smoke weed, some of us don't even do that. But I'm stoked. I can't wait to go shoot a gun. I'm 3 for 3 for clay pigeons, so I'm at 100% accuracy for clay pigeons, so I better not break my accuracy. He's gonna do clay pigeons.
Disappointed.
We're going to shoot guns.
We're gonna shoot clay pigeons.
Can you lay in the back of my car?
My problem is I live in isolation. I mean, I don't do drugs, I don't drink.
Awesome.
So, you know, I don't hang around with them.
So how was COVID? Was COVID more isolated for you, you think, or did you like?
COVID was a bunch of bullshit.
All right.
I agree.
Yeah. So we don't need to talk about that then. Let's talk about happy shit. Sorry. I just wasn't sure how the isolation was during that time.
Oh, there's that van.
Yeah, that gal, she lives
Cut.
there and
Just
she,
kidding.
does some tour worker thing at the mountain. And unfortunately, what Leonard did to the mountain